Disciplinary character, operation management is frequently misinterpreted. Nevertheless, their functions are the linchpin of enterprises all over the world, and success is frequently dependent on them. So, peek below to learn everything there is to know about what operation management is. So, what's the definition of operation management? Operation management is the administration of business operation within an enterprise to achieve the best quality products and services. It's therefore involved with the most effective conversion of materials and labor into products and services to maximize an organization profitability. So, operation management teams aims to make the maximum net operational profit viable by balancing the expenses and income. So the following skills are required of an operation management. Now that you know what the operation management definition is, so read on to learn about the skills required to be a good operation manager. The ability is necessary for efficient operation management and those required for supply chain management are strangely similar. As an operation manager, excellent organizational skills are critical to successfully improving efficiency and generating production. To get a firm's operation to run smoothly, one must understand the sequence of processes within the organization, and the position is closely tied to supply chain management in this regard. So, operation management obligation. So, operation management is a business discipline that entails overseeing a company's day to day operation to maintain a project efficiency. It suggests that the department head will be expected to execute a variety of strategic duties. Among the functions are delivery administration. The delivery manager reports to the operation manager. The manager is responsible for ensuring that the items are delivered to the customer on time. They must communicate with customers to verify that the things provided are what they requested and satisfy their functional requirements. And product development. So, product design comprises creating goods that will be marked to a buyer. It entails coming up with fresh ideas or building on existing ones to create new goods. The operation manager's job is to make sure that the items offered to customers suit their demands while also keeping up with current market developments. For forecasting, next one is forecasting is generating predictions about future occurrences based on historical data. The customer demand for the company's product is one of the occasions that the operation manager must forecast. To forecast future consumption trends, the operation the manager looks to previous and present data on the adoption of the company's products. So, management of the supply chain. Supply chain management entails overseeing the manufacturing process from raw resources to completed goods. It manages everything from product manufacture to shipping and distribution. And operation manager supervises the supply chain process by keeping control of inventory management, the manufacturing process, distribution, sales, and supply procurement to deliver essential items at acceptable pricing. So, what does operation management look like? The healthcare industry makes extensive use of operation management. The existing healthcare system overutilizes costly, technical, and emergency-based services. High medical expenses are often uncompensated because of uninsured persons, taxpayers, and the health insurance holders and healthcare institutions all bear a financial burden because of the proliferation of services in high cost environments. So what does operation management do? Operation management is focused on overseeing the manufacturing process and commercial operations as efficiently as feasible. So this operation management experts strive to optimize net operating profit by balancing operational expenses and revenue. So, what are some operation management systems? So, business process redesign and reconfigurable manufacturing system. Six Sigma. The purpose of BPR is to assist operations in drastically restructuring their organization by creating the business process from the very beginning. Reconfigurable manufacturing systems or RMS are intended to allow for rapid changes in structure, equipment, and software components. The Six Sigma is a quality oriented methodology where 6 refers to the control limits that are set at 6 standard deviations from the mean of the normal distribution. So high quality and improved quality brings better sales and gains in sales, reduce cost in operations. So what is better sales and gains in sales? Because the organization can sell its products for higher prices and obtain higher profit margins. The organization gain a higher reputation, and so consumers or clients trust the company brand. A company with an effective quality system can respond better and faster to any customer's need or problem. Reduce cost in operation because a well designed and managed quality system allows to lower scabs, defect, reworks, and returns. The company can have low warranty costs because of the reduced defects and reworks and the much better amount of output with the same amount of input. The company has an increased productivity. Quality principles, customer focus, continuous improvement, benchmarking, just in time use, total quality management. So quality tools, check sheets, scatter diagrams, cause and effect diagrams. So also name fishbone or ishikawa diagram. Path to charts, flow diagrams, histograms, statistical process control. Quality, the definition, the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bears on its ability to satisfy stated, explicit, or clear or implied needs. Examples of explicit needs: tasty, good, delicious, good looking, nice design, good color, good tissue, cheap, good price, good performance, easy to manage. Examples of implied needs: safe, genuine, reliable, pure. So, quality defined in different ways based on the point of view of the user, the consumer who usually look for performance features he like low cost, the manufacturer who wish to conform to standards, specifications, low the product. If we define quality just looking at the product, we are looking for characteristics of the product that can be precisely measured. So, examples: content of sugars, fats, protein, energy and calories and vitamin size, weight, resistance to impacts, thickness. Quality has other implications: company reputation, product liability. Faulty products might damage or one or more consumers, and so the company is liable for such damage and all its consequences. Global implications: inferior or low quality products can damage both the company's profitability and the nation's economy and balance of payments in their foreign trade. So cost of quality, prevention cost, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, external failure cost. What is prevention cost? Costs associated with reducing the potential for defective parts, items of services, and they can be cost for training on quality improvement programs, preventions, these kind of thing. Appraisal cost means cost related to the evaluation and control of material, product, process, parts, and services. Testing quality checks on incoming items, WIP on finished products, laboratory test, inspectors and auditors wages. Internal failure cost means cost that result from the production of defective parts or services before the delivery to customers. So at least the defective items remain at the company site internally and the problem is managed internally. Costs are defective parts, materials, finished products, scraps, rework downtime caused by defective part or material. So external failure cost that occur after the delivery of defective parts or service to the client. External costs are return expenses, rework for return defective products, return goods to send to waste treatment process as scraps, liability, lost goodwill, lost failure sales, damage to reputation and image. Money spent for an advertising campaign for recalling defective products that have already been sold. Nokia had to do this in 2009 as they recalled 14 million defective charges. So most common international quality standards are ISO 9000, ISO 14000. Standards are for the environmental management system standard TS in automotive industry. So this ISO 22000 BRZ now GSFS, this IFS in the food industry. So ISO set of quality standards developed by the International Standard Organization and aim to provide procedure guidelines and indications for managing properly a quality system or an environmental system. ISO 9000 series of standards related to the quality management system. ISO 9001 is the most important standard to the ISO 9000 series and the one used for assessing an organization system and issuing the quality certificate if it is conform to the standard. So ISO 9001 quality standard with international recognition created in 1987. In the USA it is named ANSI or ASQ Q9000 series. It's a 30-page book that provides the guidelines for managing the company's process, HR management, production, checks and controls, relationship with clients and suppliers, site management, data management, management of complaints, recall plans, management of problems. Last updated version issued in 2008 named ISO 9001 2008. So goals and focus of the ISO 9001 standard is to derive organizations or companies to establish a quality management system that allows the organization being able to assure the quality level their products and services, customer satisfaction, a continuous improvement. For implementing a quality system, a company needs to have leadership and commitment by the top direction and owners that and needs to prepare a document and procedures. So the needed documentation is quality manual, operative procedures for each process: sales, purchasing, production, warehousing, working instructions, and data recording forms for recording several information data issues, defects, and not con process situations, customer complaints, corrective actions implemented for solving a problem, internal audit, training session, internal meetings, checks and tests on materials, parts, and finished products, process controls, audit, and suppliers performance evaluation. So to become ISO 9001 certified, 9 to 18-month process depending on the company size and complexity of its processes, having all needed documented procedures, performing on-site self-assessment for being sure all is fine, receiving a series of audit at the company and auditors check and assess procedures, recordings, products and services. To the total quality management refers to quality emphasis and effort in the entire organization, requires a commitment by management for driving the company to excel aspects of products and services that are important to the customer. So the seven concepts for an effective TQM are: continuous improvement, Six Sigma, improvement, benchmarking, just in time, Taguchi concepts, knowledge of TQM skill. For achieving a continuous improvement, Deming suggested a model based on a circle that known as PDCA circle or Deming circle. PDCA means plan, do, check, act, plan. So teams select a process that need improvement. They define, measure, and analyze the problem data. They set goals for improvement. They discuss alternative for achieving the goals, and they select the best alternative. And with it, they develop a plan with a budget for the expenses, with actions to perform, with deadlines, and with responsibility. Do the team implements the plan and monitors its progress. Check means at the end of this implementation of the improvement plan, the team analyzes all data collected during the do step to assess if results and achievements are confirmed to the stated goals. So act means if results are successful, then the team writes a document with what has been done properly and what needs to be avoided for not making errors and wasting time. The team also prepares a documented procedure to be used in order to keep doing the right things and managing well the performance that has just been improved. Six Sigma means made popular by Motorola or GE. Six Sigma in statistical sense means a process capability 99.9997%. So Six Sigma means in operations only 3.4 defects per million parts. That virtually is zero defects, designed for reducing defects. So these are the things in operation management. Thank